Red Bull give you wings. Boy, so beautiful. And this is the truck, and that is the Mini Cooper.
Hi, I'm Dami. I'm from Meghalaya. I'm from Shillong. Yeah.
And this car belongs to this amazing person.
Thank you.
From Northeast. He is the only one who is the only guy who has licked F1 tire.
No, I think India, bro.
Oh, yeah, in India.
No.
So hello people, it's me, the Mr. Rafai from Shillong. But right now I'm in Guwahati because I have came to witness an event which is going on in GS Custom. So the audience is too much out here, bhai. But unfortunately they have closed the gate because there are too much audience right now. Bhai sahab, the way these people are, they are taking picture from the top. That guy. Bhai sahab, the way these people are having the craze just because of the F1. I don't know at what time the event will start. So it had showed that the event is going to start around 11, but it's already 2. Hello buddy. You wanted to come in the video? Aa jao. Why people are having a different kind of perspective, especially for this event, because it's first time it has came in Guwahati, if I'm not wrong. And this is the GS Custom bike. Your dream, will we build it? DHC, Ironman, Fuel, Black Rhino, Bimbra 4x4, and there are many more. This side also there are many more. These are all the sponsors. But the weather in Shillong and the weather out here, it's very different, bhai. It's very hot out here. Everyone is like having a different kind of view, bhai. Just for seeing that F1 car out here. Oh, you have went inside?
Yes.
Hey, अंदर तो बहुत वो है.
They are saying they are having a rally or something like that, right?
Yes.
Nice. Because exactly, I also don't know why. Oh, sorry, buddy. Okay. Exactly, I also don't know why what actually it is going to happen. Because it's my first time that I am going to attend an event which is out of the city.
ML05 guy. Nice to meet you. Good job.
Hello buddy. And this is how I used to meet my subscribers, especially in Northeast. मैं और काफ़ी सारा लड़का लोग है, वो थोड़ा दूर है. मैं तो अकेले आया अभी.
आएंगे वो लोग भी.
हाँ, वो लोग उस तरफ लंच कर रहा है.
कितने चले?
ये तो पता नहीं. मैं तो अकेले आया, वो लोग पहले आ गया था.
तो यहाँ पे कौन सा बाइक लेके आए?
मैं MT
भैया का MT है ब्रो.
Really appreciate man for that.
This लोग है ना, आपको दिखता है.
हम तो गाड़ी में रहते हैं.
वो बड़ी कौन है?
गंगमन सॉन्ग.
ये सारा लोग शिलोंगे ही है.
मैं तो गोल्फलिंग में रहता हूँ.
वो गोल्फलिंग. आप लोग कब आए?
ये हम लोग सुबह 11. हाँ, मतलब बहुत सारे
इवेंट्स हो रहा था.
लाइक डांस हो रहा था, साइफर हो रहा था.
झालुक बारा में रहते.
So these are the people who came around 11 only, and I was the one who was really very late, so I thought that like the show had already started, but unfortunately the gate is still closed till now.
बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज भी वहाँ मजा आया.
वो था अंदर ही था.
अभी रिली होगा ना? अभी रिली होगा.
Really?
आप जा रहे रैली में?
अलाउड होगा तो मैं जाऊंगा.
सब अलाउड है, बस बाइक चाहिए. हम लोग आए तो ये रहा ना, झालुक बारा. क्या था इसका नाम?
जालू पड़ा.
चालू पाला. ये ब्लॉग यूट्यूब में जाएगा?
हाँ जाएगा, क्यों नहीं
कुछ
जाएगा.
अनऑप्शन होगा तो प्लीज
वो पॉज कर दे, ओ मतलब म्यूट कर देता है। क्योंकि बहुत कोई देखता है ना भैया, इसके वजह से।
मेरा दीदी
झालुक पारा को देख लेता है
लाइक मेरा घर में मेरा दीदी लोग भैया लोग देखता है ना, गलती से देख लिया।
मेरा तो वो नहीं है, मैं तो पूरा गाड़ी का नाम देखते उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा।
And now the gate is going to be open of GS Custom, and a car is going to come out. That is known as F1. And people are like very happy to see this car.
2 सेकंड का रुकता भी नहीं है।
ब्यूटी
ये चलाएगा नहीं?
मिलेगा तो चलाऊंगा ना।
तुमको नहीं, जो है वो तो चलाए कम से कम।
अरे मैक्स वर्स्टेफन चलाते ना।
अरे अभी
अभी कोई नहीं चलाता।
अभी कोई नहीं चलेगा, पेट्रोल नहीं है। गरीब हो जाएगा।
रेड बुल भी फ्री में दिया एक तो।
And look who I have met here. Introduce yourself, man. Introduce.
John official. Oh yeah.
And this guy is from Nongpo. And because of him, I am here right now because he has forced me to come here. And the car came out. And the car came out, which we are waiting for, which I have came from around 100 kilometers just to see this amazing car in GS Customs. The crowd is going crazy! Bhai sahab!
Mercedes.
Bhai sahab, there is too much rush, bhai, too much rush. Especially people are going more crazy after seeing that F1 car. The bus is that side. So now we are going to follow the truck, and some more cars are there. John official with his NHK helmet, with his Entorch, with his pillion, and we are going to chase that Red Bull truck. Oh yeah, let's go! At last I have found this truck, bhai. At last, bhai saab. It looks so beautiful, man. It looks so beautiful. Just see, Red Bull give you wings. Bhai saab, beautiful. And this is the truck, and that is the Mini Cooper. Oops, it looks so beautiful, man. Just see. Amazing, man. Beautiful. Everyone is taking pictures, man. Everyone. Because it is the first time. Yeah! Just see how many photographers are there, right? Just to catch this amazing event in their camera lens and to showcase. Yeah. हाँ शिव सागर। ओ हम लोग शिलोंग से। Helicopter is also there, bhai. See, I hope I'll be able to capture it from my camera. Down there are cars and up there is one helicopter. So now I have entered GS Custom for the first time. This is how beautifully it looks like. Just see. Because I was late, right? The event was going somehow here and somehow this side. And this is how the entrance looks like. It looks really very beautiful. But it's my first time that I'm going to enter this custom house. And here they used to do the customization. This is really very big, bhai. Everywhere there are cars. Everywhere. You see. Especially the weather from Shillong. Huh? Huh? Especially the weather from Shillong and weather from Guwahati after crossing Barnihag. The weather used to be very much heated.
इसका आँखें ही नहीं अच्छा नहीं है
Hi, I'm Dami. I'm from Meghalaya. I'm from Shillong. Yeah.
And this car belongs to this amazing person.
Thank you.
I told you, right, the car culture straight from Meghalaya, it's like really very different, bhai. The Meghalaya car culture is like really very different, and we are witnessing in Guwahati city this Polo GT with pops and bangs. Now he is going to show it. The Meghalaya car collection used to be very different, boy. Boom! The car culture straight from Meghalaya, boy. It looks really very different. Just see the car. Oh yeah! Thanks, man. Thanks for your time. Chalo, see you very soon, man.
Me, I used to see your vlog.
Oh, man, really appreciate, man, for that.
0.5, right?
Yeah. Really appreciate, man. I hope that I'll be able to see this car on Shillong streets, man.
Oh, okay.
Really appreciate. Oh, man, really appreciate. Chalo, have a blessed day.
Hey, what's up? How y'all doing?
So hope so you know this guy, man.
It's the second time you're asking this, bro.
Yeah, man.
I think y'all know me, like, but I'm not. Some of them might not know me. So like, for those who don't know me, my name is Ramsey, and I'm a DCY.
DCY?
Dedicated Christian Youth, yo.
Oh yeah. And like, he was the luckiest guy in this show because he got a chance to sit in this car.
That's what I've been saying,
I
bro.
know,
Listen,
right?
yesterday I was a fugitive. I didn't even know these people. I licked the F1 tire, right?
Ah, yeah, here's the one.
and then guess what? They were after me, right?
Oh, yeah.
But then today we are friends, and I get to hang out with the Juggernaut, bro.
Oh, man.
That's what I say.
I don't know.
Life is crazy.
Yes,
Take
man.
the risk.
Yes. And it's like, keep making content. Even
Facts.
though you are getting
Facts.
200 views
That's
or
what.
2 lakh views, it doesn't matter.
People might be hating you.
Oh, man, really appreciate for that.
This guy is famous, bro. Check this
Oh,
out.
man,
This
he
guy.
is more famous.
No.
He is more famous.
I love your videos.
Oh, man,
bro. I
really
love your
appreciate, man, for that.
That's what. Chalo.
And thanks for coming in this video.
Yeah, yes.
Hey bro, hey.
Oh, man.
ভালো আছে
हाँ ভালো আছে
ঠিক আছে একদম বঢ়িয়া বঢ়িয়া
তুমি শিলং ও গুৱাহাটী
Nah, man, he looks like me though, but like that's not me. I'm not
Oh, I really
আপোনাক
appreciate.
সাপোৰ্টও কৰি আছে
Oh, really appreciate, man.
Thank you.
Chalo, thanks for your time.
Okay.
From Northeast, he is the only one who is the only guy who has licked F1 tire.
No, I think India, bro.
Oh, yeah, in India, in India.
dog.
From India.
now he accepted
Yo.
He is the only guy.
tag him brother all of
He,
you tag
he
him
is the only guy who has licked F1 tires.
Me, that's me, yo.
Oh, yeah.
Dominating the mainland. It is, bro. We Northeasters, bro. We do that shit.
Ah, yeah.
We pay that shit. How was it, bro? How was it? Bro, the best rubber I ever tasted.
Oh.
I'm just kidding, yo.
I'm going to end the video here only. And thanks to the organizer who have organized this amazing event. This is also a car bike. This is from Assam, I think. This is from Assam. So you people like this video. And thanks for the organization who has organized this amazing event. Especially from GS Custom. This is known as GS Custom. देखो, so you people like this video. So like, comment, and subscribe and मत भूलना.